Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm showing you how to build a mini Reddit clone using Webflow, complete with all the features you'd expect. I've chosen AirTable to keep all the Reddit posts and comments organized. First up, I tackle the user interface with Webflow, which is super straightforward and fast. Next, we dive into adding functionality, and that's where FlowScript comes in. It's a plugin for Webflow that lets you attach JavaScript to your elements easily. But the cool part? It brings a reactive system to your site, linking page elements to state variables. When those variables change, your elements update automatically. It's like mixing React's dynamic capabilities with Webflow's design ease, truly a game changer. For this demo, we're keeping it simple. Users can post by entering a username without needing a password or any sign-up hassle. The app pulls posts from the AirTable API right after login, setting the post's state variable. Thanks to FlowScript's reactivity, the moment posts are loaded, they're displayed without any page refresh needed. Adding new posts is just as easy. The new post form has a submit action that, once triggered, adds a new post to the Airtable database. For the post page, comments are fetched based on the post ID, linking each comment to its post in the Airtable comments database. The UI setup and linking elements to the correct state variables were next, along with creating a form for new comments, ensuring they're associated with the right post. After ironing out a few kinks, everything was up and running. Airtable's API made it simple to filter comments so only those related to the current post show up. And there you have it, a basic Reddit clone built in Webflow with Airtable in less than 90 minutes. FlowScript is a must-have if you're looking to elevate your Webflow projects to new heights, whether you're linking to a backend or crafting client-side apps. Check out more real-time tutorials to master building with FlowScript in Webflow. Plus, there's a link below to try the tiny Reddit demo for yourself.